In this video, I'll solve an exponential equation that is quadratic in form. We have the equation e to the 2x plus 6e to the x minus 16 equals 0. We could solve this by substitution by letting u equal e to the x. Therefore, u squared would be e to the 2x, or we can just solve by factoring. Note that the factors of e to the 2x are e to the x and e to the x. And the factors of 16, whose difference is 6, are 8 and 2. We need a plus on the larger, so we have e to the x plus 8 times e to the x minus 2 equals 0. Then we can set each factor equal to 0. We get e to the x plus 8 is equal to 0, or e to the x minus 2 equals 0. When we isolate the exponential expression in the first equation, we subtract 8 from each side to get e to the x equals negative 8. But that is a contradiction. E to the x is always greater than 0, so there's no solution for that equation. Then e to the x minus 2 equals 0 is equivalent to e to the x equals 2. To solve for x, we can take the natural log of each side to get natural log of e to the x equals natural log of 2. Natural log of e to the x is just x equals natural log of 2. So the solution set of this equation is the natural log of 2.